How to make money online 2019. Hey, welcome to one of my videos again. It's Travis Alexander. I'm making this updated video stats of our brand new funnel, releasing in the free lead generation system of the new funnel for free lead system. Now, if you haven't seen it, make sure you go to the website on this video, and it will direct you to this page where you can see for yourself on your very own screen. And the good about this, it works on your mobile phone, your cell phone, most of the people on their phone right now. It goes hand in hand, and it can still do the same work as you on your laptop or desktop. So it's an amazing new funnel, and you get a customized bonuses. I show you how to customize this page. I actually put an image in there, make it motion, and play on the cell phone. So this is why I'm shooting this video to show you as it looks like on the cell phone. So once again, you go to the website and you can grab your bonus. But I'm gonna show you how you can use this, promote this, and very easy to apply. So 100% free. You put your name, your email, click the box of yes, you can receive the emails. All right, make sure you use a Gmail so you can get the information, and you're going to follow the instructions on the next page. It's going to explain all the details on video how we give away a free system to help any business online generate more qualified leads and make the list go viral. Okay, with this you can go on viral with the compensation plan of leads. You're inviting free members and generating leads for any opportunity that you can plug in. Okay, so let's go in members area. Here's the back office. You may have seen this before. It's the free lead system of the back office. You will have your contact information like here, and people can click on your recommended income stream. Okay, so they'll click on that link, whatever you want to promote inside that area. To do that, just go to the getting started. Now, as you see on the right button, the gold button, we have a section where you can make $6 commissions. Okay, this is where it comes in, where you can start making money online and at the same time making money with other offers similar to ClickBank. Okay, but very easy to get started. You want to click on how do I get started. It's going to have a step-by-step plan, and then I go over more in depth in the Facebook group. So let's go log back in. Okay, so see how it is. Did you get your number ID? Once you create an account, you get your number ID and your password. You can log in. You can go over to getting started. Watch this video, follow the steps below. I go over a review and an in-depth step-by-step what's the plan and how you're going to use this to generate some commissions. If you plan on just staying a free active member and you want to promote another offer, same life on ClickBank, let us go and join our Facebook group. I plug you in and you can review over the details of my step-by-step plan, how you can promote a ClickBank offer or any offers using this platform. Okay, so here it is. Click the link below and you get instant access to the getting started video for free, and you get instant access. So all down here, you want to follow those steps. We're going to show you how to enter your website, whatever you want to promote, like on the ClickBank offer, advertise your link to get traffic to it, and it's going to run on autopilot to follow your leads to get them come back and log in. And whoever log in and really wants to generate income, you're able to generate $6 commissions, or you can build your email list into the funnel. Okay, same as here, you can generate $6 commissions just by clicking on a gold button. Okay, this is where it comes in. Same as affiliate marketing of ClickBank. You're gonna promote an offer and generate commissions. But on this side, that you generate total commissions and you're keeping all the leads in your own autoresponder. Okay, so very powerful. It's gonna follow the leads, close sales, generate your upgrade commissions much higher. Okay, so it's very proven to work. Okay, so let's gonna show you some proof that this is working. Okay, so we go down here, you can see we have a couple of emails. When people come into your own capture page, we give you a done for you capture page. It's going to collect a database. And once they're ready, you can start earning the $6 commissions as you see in this screenshot. So just showing you the real that is proof. That is start marketing your affiliate link. We're going to show you step by step how to start marketing your affiliate links and going to generate the $6 commissions. So you actually go over promotion tools, and we show you how to promote your link and promote any other website you wish. Okay, text links, email swipes, banners, articles, press release, video marketing, zine, traffic networks, state lists, search engines, and picture postcard, e-cards, personal videos. So I gotta just come in here and pick the category that you want to work on the best and become the best, and then you can start generating some tons of leads and traffic. And what I discover on the traffic generation online, I want to show you methods how to get um, these methods and transfer to generate some Google leads. Okay, actually, your website and traffic is coming from directly from Google without putting any Google AdWords. Okay, so that's more of my advanced bonus training that I do take advantage of coming in here and click on the go button. All right, and you want to upgrade to $6 commissions. Okay, and then I have more in depth of our next group. It's going to help you inside of the lead lighting. Once you want to take advantage of lead lighting and generate multiple $6 commissions, all you gotta do is click this button and you can instant access and start going through the material and grab your affiliate for this system here. Okay, you're gonna have a different separate link for this platform. All right, so make sure you go and comment, subscribe if you're on YouTube. If you're not, go to the website and register real quick for free and log in with your details. It's going to be sent to your email, your user ID, and your password. Okay, you're going to get a welcome letter. I'm sending you instructions. Make sure you get inside our group, upgrade the group into lead lighting. You get instant access once you complete that process. Not, you can stay in our freely system group, and we show you more ways how to use this freely system to promote other offers like ClickBank, and you still generate commissions without no fees. Okay, but the recommendation that you can keep all your leads and generate more $6 commissions as doing the same work. I recommend click on how to make $6 per lead. Okay, and I see you on the next updated video of some more proof coming out and more training coming out into the team group. So make sure go ahead and click the buttons, send a request to join the group. I'll check back, see if you already completed step one, and get you approved in the group. It's Travis Alexander. I see you on the next video.